Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Smooth English Talks. I hope you are doing well today. Today, we will practice easy daily English speaking. This lesson is very simple and very useful. So, stay with me and speak with me. Part 1. Morning Routine. Let's start with morning sentences. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I drink water. I have breakfast. Now you speak with me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. Very good. Keep going. Part 2. Speak without fear. Many people feel shy. Many people feel afraid. But listen carefully. Mistakes are okay. Practice is important. Fear is natural. Confidence takes time. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak every day. Speak with confidence. Don't think too much. Just start speaking. Use simple words. Try again and again. Confidence will come step by step. You will improve day by day.
Part 3. Repeat practice. Now let's repeat some powerful sentences. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am improving slowly. I am confident. I am not afraid. I am getting better. I believe in myself. I will not give up. Say it again with a smile. Feel the confidence in your voice. Speak loudly and clearly. Part 4. Daily life practice. What do you do in the morning? I wake up and exercise. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you drink tea or coffee? I drink tea. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. Where do you go every day? I go to work. What do you do in the evening? I relax and watch videos. What do you like to do? I like to learn English. Why are you learning English? Because I want to improve my skills. Now pause the video and answer by yourself. Try to speak in full sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Part 5. Daily tip. Here is a simple tip. Practice English for 10 minutes every day. You can talk to yourself, read aloud, watch English videos, listen to English audio, repeat sentences daily, speak in front of a mirror. Try to think in English. Use English in your daily life. Even small practice is powerful. Consistency is the key to success. Small practice every day equals big improvement. One day, you will speak fluently. Part 6. Talking about your day. Now, let's talk about your daily routine. I go to work every day. I meet different people. I complete my tasks. I take short breaks. I come back home in the evening. I spend time with my family. I relax and rest. Now you try. I go to work. I come back home. Good job. Keep practicing. Part 7. Build your vocabulary. Let's learn some simple words. Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night. Work. Home. Food. Study. Now make sentences. I study in the morning. I eat food at night. I go home in the evening. Very nice. Part 8. Listening practice. Listening is very important. Listen carefully to English. Listen to simple sentences. Listen again and again. You can listen to English videos, English songs, English conversations. Try to understand the meaning. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Slowly, your listening will improve. Part 9. Practice with yourself. You can practice alone. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak clearly. Ask yourself questions. How are you? What are you doing? Answer yourself. I am fine. I am practicing English. This is a very powerful method. Part 10. Final motivation. Now remember this. Learning English is a journey. It takes time and patience. Don't stop. Don't give up. Practice every day. Believe in yourself. You are improving. You are growing. You are becoming better. One day, you will speak English fluently and confidently. Keep going forward. Your success is coming. So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I truly hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something useful. Remember, English is not difficult if you practice it every day with patience and consistency. Maybe today you learned a few sentences. Maybe you spoke a little more than yesterday. And that is progress. That is improvement. Always remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Even if you feel shy, it's normal. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner, just like you. So don't stop. Don't lose hope. Keep practicing every single day. Speak in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself. Listen, repeat, and try again. Little by little, day by day, you will become more confident, more fluent, and more comfortable speaking English. Believe in yourself. Trust your journey. Your hard work will definitely bring success. And one day, you will look back and feel proud because you didn't give up. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Smooth English Talks. Your support really inspires me to create more helpful videos for you. Also, share this video with your friends so they can learn and grow with you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time and your effort. I will see you again very soon with another simple and useful English lesson. Until then, take care of yourself, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English with confidence. See you in the next video.